Hey YouTube fans and subscribers, I'm back with Angry Birds 521 here, and I'm gonna show you what it looks like in the inside of a cap gun that looks like this, and I'm gonna show you how it works. So first, you can just easily open it by pulling this little button right here, and then next up, we gotta add the ammo. I don't really have real ammo, so that's why I'm just using these protective things. These things that aren't really that dangerous. So what you want to do is just that you want to put the cap inside the screen thing, or whatever color the thing is. So just close it back up, and it's ready to fire. So I'm just going to show you how it fires. Well, it usually really takes up a lot of range in the firing sound. So there you have it. That's how it. So there you have it. That's what a cap gun should sound and look like.